Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the MySmile toothbrush. This is a rechargeable sonic toothbrush, so it's going to be doing the vibrating, definitely proven to improve the brushing experience in terms of cleanliness when you actually have a vibrating head. So let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box. I'll show you the basic functions, basically everything you need to know before buying. So here we go. And inside of here, we should have a travel case, a charger, a brush head, basically everything you would need. So here's a little instruction manual, a little guide, and then we have all the pieces in here. A nice shiny packaging that looks really good. And we'll start with the actual brush itself. Comes in a carrying case, which is perfect for traveling. No more wet toothbrush in your suitcase. Flip open the lock, and you have the actual base of the brush itself. So you'll still need to attach heads to it, but here is what you're looking at. So all black, little buttons or kind of handheld spots right here. Your power button, different modes: clean, white, polish, massage, sensitive, which is nice, and a battery indicator. Down here is where it actually uses the charger that comes with it. We'll show you here in a second. So that just sticks into your travel case. For the brush heads, I'll show you how to install these. You do have it looks like 5 of them right there. So to install these, just go ahead and pop one out, and they just slip directly. Oh, you got to take this piece off, I think. Nope. You just put this on, give it a good push. You want to make sure it's really on there, and then now when you turn it on, it vibrates the head right there. Charger is a little mount charger. This is nice because when you're not using it, you just set it on there and it's going to stay fully charged and can just sit on your sink, no issues at all. Let's walk through the modes here. So we've got clean, which you can see it illuminates up, and then you've got white, which is a little bit harder. It's really vibrating. Then you've got polish, which is like a kind of lighter vibration, but still going pretty hard. Massage is higher or kind of lower frequency. And then sensitive is still vibrating pretty good, but hopefully will help if you have sensitive teeth. And you can see your battery icon is lighting up green there as you push the button. I have 2 out of 3 bars. So a nice, simple little toothbrush. I love the stand. It's just nice and simple to keep on your desk, guys. Be sure to check this one out. I will have it linked down below.
Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hairdryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.